Alright, so what's up, guys? We're back here with a new exciting take on a new cryptocurrency. Today it's Raiblocks, and Raiblocks is one of those very exciting cryptocurrency which is recently getting attention from our crypto space. I'm so glad more people are willing to learn about this, as there's a lot to be excited about. Pretty much XRB or Raiblocks is a cryptocurrency with zero fees, instant transaction, and infinite scalability. Let's keep in mind that major blockchain-based protocols have been having issues with scalability, transaction speeds, high fees. Raiblocks was first published back in 2014, so it's one of the first directed acyclic graph-based cryptocurrencies. Beta version was functional before IOTA and Byteball. But the concept of Raiblocks is different from other DAG cryptocurrencies, as it's using a block lattice structure. Pretty much what that means is each account has its own blockchain, and each block contains a single transaction. So Raiblocks uses a so-called balanced weighted vote for reaching consensus, which is used only in conflicting transactions. The white paper is a good source for technical details, how transactions work, how consensus is achieved, and how different attacks are prevented. One of the good things about XRB is the way it was distributed. For quite a long time, there was a facet that gave away XRB for solving CAPTCHAs. Anyone with internet connection could use it to make a bit of money. This was a great deal for people with no access to financial systems, and XRB was being collected by many Venezuelans, which is perfect for transacting small amounts of value, as there's no fees. But because no one had a big advantage over others in the distribution process, it's much more decentralized and fairly distributed than pretty much all other coins out there. There's no mining or master nodes, so it becomes harder for individuals and groups to concentrate significant power into their hands. This approach might have disadvantages, but they're inevitable if you want to make the market as decentralized as possible. So if we look into XRB, you can check it out on CoinCapMarket. It is up to $2.07, but that's actually a 26% jump over the last 24 hours. And right now, it hit a $200 million market cap last night. That market cap now is up to $275 million as of today, which is December 13th. And it's not on any big platforms yet, so there's a lot of potential with this coin. Again, XRB, Raiblocks, decentralized coin. Give it a look. Peace.